Hello, Leslie here with another plan with me. We're doing the week of October 11th through the 17th. This week in my Erin Condren, I'm using this kit from Imastickeraddict. I just love it. Everything is fall. It says happy fall, y'all, and it has a lot of animal print and plaid and pine cones and even gnomes. And I just love this white pumpkin with a wild animal print on it. I just think that's kind of funny. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our theme sticker. I think I did go ahead and put date covers down and washi, just to try to like make sure that that's pretty much standard anyway. So I feel like it's not any mystery on like what I'm gonna do there. So I feel like it's fine to get ahead that way. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put that theme sticker down, and then we do have a box duo right there. So I'm thinking that could actually be really cute down here. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick it down here. Maybe we'll go up a little bit with it. I kind of like creating that space. Right there. Okay. We'll do that there, and then we'll do this one there as well with the little gnome. So they're on like a little bench scene together. That's so cute. Okay. So I like that one there. There is another like full box sticker over here on this sheet as well. It's a little house, like a little farmhouse looking, like big house though. And then I've decided to start putting, I think I'm going to go with this one, the little gnomes for the sidebar. I do like putting my Monday through Sunday, if I can grab it, over here. I really like doing that, so I think I will. But I'm going to put it probably about here. I think for orders, I've been liking putting that there. And then I do like my habit trackers. We'll grab the brown and that like peach. How about that? We'll put our habit trackers down here. Probably start at the bottom. And then I can write out all the new releases that way. I think that's kind of fun. There's a Hello Weekend sticker. Let's go ahead and put that down before I forget and then I don't end up having room for it because I love the pattern behind it. It's the same as like this right here. I think that's really fun. Then there's some freestanding checklists and deco on that sheet. All right, we'll do Hello Weekend. Do I do that right here? Or should I go up a little bit? I think I'll go up a little bit. We'll take our pin, our whiteout pin, the Signio Uniball whiteout pin, and put that in here. I think that'll look good. So then we don't have the dots shine through. Although I will say this whiteout is whiter than the page. For sure it is. For sure. Okay. I think that looks good. And then I do enjoy my like full weekend to do. I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and white out this line. I know it's like a big dramatic thing now that I do this. Not really. I feel like a lot of people white out lines in their planners now. I don't know if that's a planner trend or if that's just something like some people have always done and it's just now being talked about more. You know what I mean? I just don't know. All right, so I'm thinking my to-do list for the weekend. We'll do to-do. I'll stick that across here like that. Be somewhat straight, and then we'll do a freestanding. I thought I got white out on me, so my instinct was to just rub it away, I guess. We'll do this pink one because that's probably where I'm going to end up if I do to-do list every day. Okay, put that there. So then I have this whole box for to-dos. I think that's really nice and enjoyable there for that purpose. Okay, then I want to put in probably a deco box here because I feel like there's not a lot of like deco going on. I'm thinking this fall mug. It's got those bold plaids behind it. Thinking way up here, so then I can still put in half box. She does glitter half boxes, and then she also does patterned half boxes, so you can choose. But I think I'm gonna go heavily on the pattern stuff this time around. I just think I like it. I don't think I want to try to match my boxes as much, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the. Well, maybe we'll match that. How about that? We'll go with the peach, and we'll match that for now. Why am I planning backwards? I don't know. I started over here and then I started worrying about over here. So that's where I went. that's just where it went. I'm so sorry. Okay. Then we need I'm gonna put Etsy shop over here. I think, yeah. No, I'm gonna put Etsy shop over here because it's like shop orders. And then we'll do a this week sticker for listing out new releases. I think that's excellent. Okay. Then we have to-dos in almost every box. Just depends on how much I get done each day as far as that goes. All right, so I'm thinking, should I do a full box checklist on Monday? Am I going to have a ton to do tomorrow? Yeah, probably. Let's go ahead and use this orange one. Ooh, why? Ooh, why? It's stuck. It's so stuck. I have to trim that off. There. Got it. Okay. So I'm thinking this one's going to go all the way at the top. And then we're going to do a half box for whatever I'm posting that day. About that day. I think that's a good plan. And then probably do a freestanding checklist down here just to mix it up. I want it above or under. That's the question. That is the question. Okay, so it'd be this pink one again. I need to lay this down and see where I end up. Okay, that works. That works just fine. Okay. All right, and then as far as half boxes go, I think I'm going to use a patterned one. I know I'm such a rebel. Okay, we'll use this one here. Kind of float it out there, and then we'll go with, I use the peach one over there, so I have to use like an, I don't want to use animal print. It's too close to the other animal print. Use this one. We'll do 2 patterns. Can't believe it. All right, and then we definitely need a full box sticker up there. Yeah. I love the rain boots and sunflowers. Those are a definite fave. I think we're going to go with that one. Just that boldness of this box. I just love it. Okay, we're going to go in between with that one. I like that. And then we'll do, where's my headers? There they are. Always got to have my to-dos. I think we're going to do the to-do down here. And probably a full box just to mix it up. I've done peach, so it's brown's turn. And we'll go all the way down with this one, just so it's not perfectly lined up with the deco boxes there. The header totally matches, though. It totally matches. All right, and then our half box land. I think I want to do, let's just do brown. Let's match the checklist this time. Do a brown half box. Okay. And then over here, I want to do probably a freestanding checklist up here, and then we'll do a full box checklist next to it. Next row. I said freestanding. Okay, we did brown, so it's the navy blue one. Okay, checklist. I always like to have this. If I'm near the coil, I like to use my tweezers. Okay, I'm gonna go that way. And then we're gonna white this out because it's in the way of everything. Okay, got that one done. All right, then we need a half box. Do we want to go with the solid navy blue? Guess so. I think that'll turn out pretty good. Okay, I think I want to put it down here. Yeah, I do. And then we'll put a deco full box here. I think we're gonna go, ooh, I only have room for 2 more, you guys. What am I gonna do? Pumpkins or the gnome? The gnome is cute. And it's got the animal print. Okay, we're going gnome. I feel like I'm gonna end up not doing the candle. Just because it's so white. Like, I think that's why. Kind of going with a bolder kind of spread here. I'm thinking that this pumpkin one is what I'm gonna lean towards. And then it's gonna go like staggered here. Probably. And then we'll grab a full box checklist. Yeah, I did the navy blue, so then we'd be back to this color, this peachy color. Up with this one, or should I go all the way down? I can go all the way down. Grab a to-do header. Stick that on there. Fun. Okay, so we did go to the farm. We went to the corn maze. I totally forgot to start talking. Goodness sakes. almost done. We went to the corn maze and we only got lost a couple of times. And then we did pick out the most perfect pumpkins. We picked out 3, 1 for my father-in-law and then 2 for my house. Because I think my son, being that he is 8, I think he's at a good age for doing most of the carving on his own, possibly, is what I was thinking. So we shall see. Okay, I was thinking I should grab some of this animal print and add it into this side because I feel like it's a little weak on that front. Because I have animal print, animal print, animal print. But over here, it's just like just up here. So then I was like, maybe I should. And then the fall foliage. Let's add some of that up here. Look at me use my chunk washi. Although that matches the background, so that's kind of funny. And then maybe some of this plaid. Put some of this plaid over here. Put that. Is that how you guys use that more? I just use it however I want. I have no rhyme or reason for that. Okay, I really love these boots. So they're going to go over here because I want to use them. And then, okay, we have this gnome, but we don't have this one. So we need him in our lives. So he's going to go right there. That's what I've decided. And then I didn't end up using the candle. So maybe we should use the candle deco so that nobody's mad at me for not using it. There. See, there's the candle. Don't worry. I got your pumpkin candle right there. Don't you even worry about it. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Okay, I think that's it for the week of October 11th. Let me grab. Okay, so we definitely need our Halloween gnome. Mine has a little spider hanging on it. You can order it, no spider or spider. But I have it with the spider. And then I think with all the black, I think I'm going to go with my black cat. I think I'm going to include her in this. And then as far as all the tones, there's definitely sunflowers. So we need to grab one of our sunflowers. Put our sunflower on here. And then what else do we need? We need our orange pumpkin and our white pumpkin. Do we need both pumpkins? It is a very pumpkin spread. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. And then maybe this one. Okay, but now I just saw that. Okay. 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 I'll stop. No, I can't stop. Okay, I think I want to trade this one out. I think I want this one. I think it fits better. That one has a lot of bright yellows and this one has like dark yellow sunflowers. That's a little different. I think it's okay to switch it out. I think it is. There's like a million clips I want to use, you know? So I gotta pick my favorites, I guess, for each spread. All right, so there you go. That's my week of October 11th through the 17th. I'd love to know what fall things you guys are off doing. I think we have a couple more up our sleeve for my kiddo, so I'll be keeping you guys posted on that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and give this video a like, and make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!